So in this video, I'll talk about the first diagram involved in the Ohm's law. So the definition of Ohm's law is that the voltage across the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. So the related equation is V equals to IR. Note that R is equals to V over I. So this is the same thing as to this definition here is equal. So, but there's an applicability and limitation for it, is that if we're applying to Ohm's law to our circuits, we're assuming that the temperature remains constant. That means the resistance is not changing over time. Because if a resistor changes over time, then the resistance could be in a function of time, in the function of temperature, and in the function of temperature, and this could be in the function of current, because when the temperature changes, the resistance change and the current would change also. So that means that the whole thing becomes to some function of current with the voltage and the current inside, which is not what Ohm's law stated, because we could rearrange to have this thing, and it is clear that the voltage is not proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. So a helpful diagram is this one. So note that this one is the battery, have the EMF values, and this one is the resistor with the R. And if I'm assuming that the battery has no internal resistance, then basically, and we have a voltmeter here and an ammeter here to measure the potential difference across this resistor and the current flowing through the resistor. So a perfect ammeter is they have no resistance, and the perfect voltmeter is having infinite resistance. So that the only resistance involved in the circuit is the resistor itself, involving this path of circuit. It's only the resistance itself. So if everything applies, then, and if we're saying that the circuit satisfies Ohm's law, then we could think the circuit, if we measure V, having V, some voltage, and the ammeter reading gives you some current, then the voltage here would be equals to the battery EMF values, and the EMF value would be equals to Ri, or V equals to Ri is the same thing. So that concludes my first diagram for the Ohm's law. Thank you.